Hello dear friends. Today I am going to discuss about the myths of prostate specific antigen. Friends, prostate specific antigen is a protein which is secreted by the prostate cells. So this prostate specific antigen is a organ specific marker rather than a disease specific marker. That means if PSA is high, so we can expect a higher possibility of prostate disease rather than prostate cancer. The PSA can be high not only in the prostate cancers, there are some other benign prostate diseases where the PSA can be high. The significant level of prostate specific antigen has been taken as 4 nanogram per ml, because it has been seen that if you start evaluating the patient with less than 4 nanogram per ml of PSA, the possibility of benign or simple prostate cancer patient, low risk prostate cancer patient will be much higher, and there will be over treatment and over diagnosis, which is not needed. PSA can be higher in other diseases also. Similarly, even the low level of PSA or normal PSA does not give you a guarantee that you don't have prostate cancer. Even it has been seen that the more progressing prostate cancers are more common in patients who have low PSA level, because PSA is secreted by the mature prostate cells. Usually, if the cancer has mature cells, so the cancer is called well differentiated, and usually the prognosis is better. Whereas if the cells are dividing so fast that they are not getting any time to get mature, are called undifferentiated cells. And undifferentiated prostate cancer is a rapidly progressing disease with very short lifespan, and unfortunately these patients have very low PSA level. So just the level of PSA does not give you a guarantee that okay, you have low PSA, though nothing can happen to you. So both the ways PSA is important, and myth should be understood clearly. Patients should not presume anything with the level of the PSA by their own. Patients should not create any panic. After getting the PSA report, one should consult to the urologist and discuss the issue.